Hey everyone, welcome to your final What's Up for the semester for Chem 220. So this last What's Up is combining weeks 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so again, all of that narrated PowerPoints, all those lectures are going to open at one time. And I know that it's crunch time. I know it's towards the end of the semester. Keep pushing. I hope you guys are enjoying the course. Again, learning information about yourself and about some health-based behavior changes that you can make in the short term, but also in the long term to help you stay healthy. So our topics this week are community health and environmental health. So again, we're sort of zoomed out, not looking just at your own health, but things that impact community and environmental health. And then we will come back to you. So I kind of go backwards in the book. I go back to chapter 7, talking about making health-based changes. I feel like it's important to end with this once you've had pretty much all the content from the course, so you can really apply that information in a really meaningful way. The last two topics are just things, again, that are going to help you in your future. And I think as we think about kind of where our society and our culture is going in the future. So that's healthy aging. So again, thinking about how you are going to age, you might be thinking about those around you, some things that are going to impact aging. And then the last one is digital wellness. So again, not particularly from your textbook, but I think just helpful, relevant information as we think about just staying well and healthy in this digital age. So again, that's it. Note the due dates. Again, there's a lot due. I understand that. And make sure you note that the things in red on the calendar, those are not Fridays. Okay, everything else has been due on a Friday. Those due dates are not Fridays. So I don't know off the top of my head. I have to look at my calendar. But again, that's towards the end of the semester. I think it's one of them is reading day, where I allow you to submit some of your things. So you've got 2 reflections, 2 labs, a quiz, and your final exercise log. Okay. Last but not least, please submit the course evaluation. I find that very helpful. I'd like to know if these What's Ups are helpful, if you even watch them. The pace of the course, the information, if you would like more engagement with your classmates. Again, I teach this as a very individual-based course. I think that has been effective in the past, but I'm very open to your feedback, and I hope that you'll give that information, whether it's constructive or positive. It helps me as I kind of update the course every semester. So I've enjoyed it. I hope you guys have too, and good luck for the rest of the semester and your other courses as well.